G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. Just up on a skillion roof, or exposed beam it's sometimes called, and I've got some rake sections as well. And so skillion and cathedral are opposite terms, and raked and exposed beam are opposite, right? So it could be called either one. Anyway, now so we're just about to pump this bay here, so you can just see I've already pumped both of those bays there, and I've got my special flat pipe sliding in under here. This is only 40 millimeters here, and so we've got a special pipe to slide in under there, and we can insulate all the way up to the end. So as we're pumping this, so we just look over there. So that bay's full, and that's where it was pumping out there. So that's how we do that with that big pipe, and that's how long it is. We can pump through right up the other end. So we'll lift the sheet under these solar panels, and we'll pump through to the rest of the end of the roof. So with that, now just have a look at this. This is the rake section here, right? And they've got rolled blanket on it. This is supposed to be R1.5 blanket, right? But you can see it's very, very thin, and of course it gets squashed down to put it in here. So this is all squished down now. So I'm actually going to pump in up there on top of this, right? So anyway, all right, get back to work.